Hello guys, Cutting Grass, Scratching Cash, back today with some Lucky Dog Cool Cat tickets. This is a $2 ticket. I picked up 10 of these. Tickets 116 to 125. We also picked up some winning sevens. 5 of these, tickets 46 through 50. All right, let's see how we do. Going to the Lucky Dogs, because they just loaded up the pack on this one here. So I picked up 10 of these. Yeah, they load them up backwards. So, looking for that 30,000. Yesterday, I know we weren't very lucky yesterday with a couple we had bought, and I thought, well, let me try again. You just never know. Okay, nothing on ticket number 116, 117, all right, ticket 118, ticket 119,
Crazy.
Thank you for our new subscribers that have joined our channel. We appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Let us know where you're watching from, where you're viewing from. That would be great. I think she finally responded because it just popped up on my phone. Okay, so maybe it's not backloaded, this ticket. I don't know. Oh. Ticket 121.
Spend 20, get $2 back. That's
Yeah. Well, that's how it goes. Wow. It's a tough one. Can't believe it. Not good. Oh, wow. This is crazy.
Drove by and throw $20 out in front of the store.
All right. I hear. I'm making up for it.
Yeah. Talk to me. What's up?
1, 2. I got 1, 2.
Okay.
I got 4 paws.
Okay.
2, 4,
At least get half your money
6,
back.
8. 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, here we go. $8. The next 3 tickets should hit. Since I didn't hit on how many? 7 or 8 of them. Here we go. Another paw.
Yeah.
$2. Yeah, told you.
Now you're 10. Half your money back. All right.
Okay, I can't be that mad now.
No.
But I was getting a little puffy.
Let's see why. How many was that? 6 losers in a row. Yeah.
And only 1 out of 2 out of the 10. This one didn't hit. I won $8.
10.
I won $10?
Yeah. Yeah. A $2 and an $8.
Oh, okay. Have my money back. All right, ticket number 50. I guess I'm going backwards. Two look so much alike.
I don't normally buy the back of this pack either, but today the store I was at, they were all like this, so.
Where'd you go?
This is Henry's.
Oh, Henry's. We have nicknames for our little convenience stores. Well, we're gonna have to start calling the one at the corner Henry's number 2. Unless we meet one of the guys there, then become friends with them, then we'll have to call it by their name.
Well, I don't even see Henry over there anymore.
No, Henry's not there anymore. He's gone. The other rude guy's there. Okay, 13, 50, 40, 26,
25.
16. Ticket of 49. Excuse me.
Come on, sevens. A single match with big zeros, preferably with a comma.
Snoring.
$46. Got 36. 51. Pesky number 1.
23. 41 right here.
There we go.
$5.
Wah, wah.
Ticket number 48.
That's not considered a win. If I give you your money back,
There we go. We got double keys.
what's up with all these back-to-back wins?
$10.
Hey, all right. Get some more down here. There you go. Good night. Boom. I'm talking about $20 ticket. With the 5, pay for the ticket.
There you go.
I'm gonna make another 10. Make up for your tickets.
35. 8. We can still have a match, right? 3.
Yeah.
32. No, so we got $10 here, and then with our 77, we got another $10 with a $20 ticket.
Yep.
Oops, I'm sorry. Ticket 47.
Hit 3 in a row. We did it before on this ticket.
We have?
Yes, there's a video, 3 in a row.
That's what we could call it, 3 in a row.
Well, you already called that other video 3 in a row because we hit on 71, 72, and 73. I still remember ticket numbers.
Isn't it the $1,400 view?
Oh, there's someone there. No, 4,000. Good match. 3 in a row.
12. 24. 21. 51. 43. 42. All right, ticket 46. Here we go. Check our bonuses. Here we go. Let's get another winner.
Eight. Nope. 49. Nope. 48. Nope.
44. 54. No. All right, guys. Cutting grass, scratching cash. We'll be back soon. Have a good night.